Well, we're going out to Sydney City Toyota, my Johnny Roca. Johnny and myself have organised a new Hilux for Steve and Mandy, who you may not remember because a lot of COVID stuff's taken over, but Steve and Mandy were heavily affected from the bushfires. Their house got burnt down while Steve was out doing volunteering firefighting work. Left his car at the firefighting headquarters down there at Malua Bay, and his car got burnt out. It was turned into nothing. He got no money on the insurance, or very little back, along with the money that I and Yellow Brick Road gave Steve and Mandy. They've been out, and with the greatest of generosity from John Roca at Sydney City Toyota, John has organised a brand new Hilux for Steve, and they're coming in to pick it up. So I'm going out there to meet them. I haven't seen them for ages. I'm really looking forward to saying hello again.
I don't think he should be allowed it. I don't think he'll keep it clean.
Hey Steve, how's it smell, mate?
It smells like a new car, surprisingly enough.
How do you feel, mate?
Good. Excited. How do I do? Want to jump?
Yeah, why not? I'll do it with you.
Break stuff.
How you going, Steve? Good, mate?
Yeah, how you travelling?
Finally picked up the car.
Oh, it's been a long 4 months, I can tell you.
But I guess, given the fire problem, it seems like the fire problem have happened now relative to what's going on with this COVID stuff.
It does happen. It feels like it at home. It
Yeah,
hasn't gone
changed.
anywhere.
It's actually twice as bad now.
Yeah, people are still living in tents
Yeah.
on their properties.
Are you getting any work down there? You building work?
No,
Not much
stopped.
work? Serious?
Yep.
I would have thought there'd be a lot of housing reconstructions and...
Takes time.
Takes time, yeah. They've got to get
It-
insurance,
well-
got to get approved.
Tafra, it's taken 2 years to get it started properly.
Wow.
So nothing's going to happen in the short term.
And I guess people are going to be short too because they're going to need insurance, but with the cost of rebuilding it with all the new
A
fire
lot of,
regulations...
90, I don't think I can't think they could change the regulations much more than they've got.
Right.
It's, all houses will burn if you're in the right scenario.
Yeah.
So I don't think they can change the regulations much more than they've got, really.
And how are your firefighter mates?
They're all right. They're the one I'm really concerned about. I haven't actually seen for a little while. So he just after the fires, his wife left him, and
Yeah.
that was his first fire. And it's a pretty big, does your head in type stuff.
Totally.
So I haven't actually managed to catch up with him yet, but I'm going to have to make an effort now. I've got a car. I'll go down and just sort of sit at his place and wait for him to come home. But
And how's Mandy's preschool that's closed to us? Or
No, it's
they
open.
reopened because they got the grant.
well, I haven't. They've just been struggling through. There's probably more teachers there than kids at the moment because
Right.
everyone's keeping them at home.
Yeah, they get too nervous.
We're going to have to try and make this government money, funding, whatever, try and make it work. 'Cause
Yeah.
it's not going to work how it works at the moment. It's not working how they want it to work.
It might be a good national idea, but at regional levels or at spot levels where there are specific issues, like where you are in Bouris Bay, a lot more needs to be done, both at the state level and the federal level.
Absolutely. And they've come up with an idea they're going to give you half of what you normally earn, and then the parents don't have to pay at all.
Yeah,
So you straight away half of what you need,
yeah.
and you're not getting any top up from the parents. So you'd have to talk to Mandy more about that, but it's not working.
I mean, this is a clusterfuck.
Oh, absolutely. For want of a better word, it's just
Total
fucked all
clusterfuck.
over, yeah.
Totally. I
And
mean,
there's, how do you move forward? Like, the government's only got so much money, but it's going to take longer than 6 months to get us out of this hole.
for sure.
So, but
I mean, I guess as the start, they're going to have to do specific individual fix-ups or make goods on the way through. They're going to have to say, okay, well, that didn't fucking work. We have to do something else now.
the trouble is, you're talking people in government who don't actually work for themselves.
Yeah.
They go home and they've still got their pay packet every fortnight.
Yeah.
They don't have that concept of how the real world actually works, and that's the problem they've got.
I've been saying for a while too that they need to have access to people who can really tell them what they've experienced, or at least go out and find out. To talk to blokes like you.
Talk to people, get an advisor, but not an advisor that's just been in the government advising. Come and ask some questions.
Well, okay, what would you tell the government right now? What would you tell ScoMo? He's trying his best. What would you
I
tell him?
know he's trying his best. I don't know, but you need to look at the big picture, especially at home where the fires are. We need the help. We still need a lot of help. So Corona's bad, but we're suffering that as well. So we just need help. I'm not sure how you can do it, but we need an injection of funds for everybody. How that happens, I don't know. say a big thank you from the team at Sydney City Toyota and especially John Roca. Thanks very much, guys.
Thank you.